welcome, Michael Bentley. We're so happy to have you here today, talking about promising IT careers in a post-AI world.
Thanks for having me. Happy to be here. All right, so we're just going to dive right in. I've got 30 minutes and more slides than I can fit in that time. So, what are we talking about here? Who are you talking to? Well, I want to talk to you about IT careers post AI. And who am I to be talking about that stuff? Well, I'm this guy, Michael Bentley. I'm a good old Southern boy, born and raised in Georgia, but I've been on a computer since I was 8 years old. So I like to tell people I have 35 years of computer experience. I'm a founder of Able Verity, where we teach people in demand IT skills and we teach easy to learn in demand IT skills. And we like to go into underserved communities to teach it or to teach them. So there I'm the founder or co-founder, and I'm also a member of SplunkTrust. So some of you may know this organization if you're familiar with the Splunk product. We're a group of people in the Splunk community, and we help others learn Splunk. We help others get careers in Splunk. We just really helpful people, right? So typically, if you know somebody who knows Splunk, that's one thing. But if you know somebody who's in the Splunk Trust, they're a complete nerd. I could say that. I'm a member. Anyways, I'm also a serial cybersecurity consultant. I do run a consulting firm where we teach people how to do cybersecurity at an enterprise level. So we're talking about running SIEMs and migrating from one cloud to the other and all sorts of data security and analytics type use cases. All right, so what I want to tell you today is that this is like a total reset. All right, AI is, you've heard of everybody say it levels the playing field. All right, well, what do we mean by that? Well, the people that are my age, right, are struggling to learn AI, while people who are just coming out of school have been using AI for, a good portion of their life. So I really think if you're a junior in IT, learning AI is going to set you ahead of people who may be seniors in IT, right? So that's what I mean when I say I think it will level the playing field, and why I think now is a good time to get started, right? Because we've all heard about these millions of unfilled jobs, right? But where are they, right? Well, all I know that is truly happening, there may be millions of unfilled jobs. That may be the case. We're not finding them, but we are finding that if you have an AI enhanced resume where you throw AI somewhere in your product, right, then you're demanding up to a 40% premium just for having the AI. So you're a cybersecurity guy, great, but you're also an AI cybersecurity person, wonderful, even better. Right? So you may be a data analyst, but if you tack on AI as a data analyst, all of a sudden it's paying 25 to 40% more.